Portland has never used lead pipes or lead service lines. Service lines are pipes that connect to the city's water mains and carries water into a person's home. While Portland has never used lead pipes in our distribution system, customers should still evaluate what pipes they have in their own homes. Homes built between 1983 and 1985 could have lead-bearing components. Copper with lead solder was used during that time, and also homes that have older brass fixtures installed before 2014 are also potential sources of lead. If you're concerned about the type of pipes that you have or you're unsure, just call us and we're happy to send you a free lead and water testing kit. Without additional treatment, if lead is present in the home plumbing, it can leach into the drinking water. So one of the things that we most recently did in April of 2022, we brought online a new corrosion control facility. The improved corrosion control treatment facility adds sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide to the water to increase its pH and alkalinity. This makes the water less corrosive to lead and other metals in some homes and building plumbing. Our most recent round of sampling that we took in June of 2024 was 4.4 parts per billion, which is dramatically lower than any of the results that we've ever achieved thus far. And this 4.4 parts per billion is significantly less than EPA's action level. While we've seen a significant reduction in lead levels since we brought the improved corrosion control facility online, we anticipate an even greater reduction in lead levels once we bring the Bull Run filtration facility online in 2027.